Today I'm going to review the Garmin Vivid 4CV. It's the upgrade of the 4CV Plus. It is a Plus. Today I'm going to give you a very quick review. I'm doing the review in 3 parts, but this one will be very quick unboxing. I hate really slow unboxing videos, and I'm going to tell you the basic features of the Garmin Vivid 4CV. It's the latest model. I will tell you what's in the box. This battery, you don't need a big battery like this, but this is my trolling motor battery. You can have a small, like motorbike sized battery. It comes with the fish finder itself. It comes with bracket, plate for the bracket. I will show you how that works. It comes with the cable. The cable is 70 inches long. Instructions. It comes with brackets to fit it to fit the transducer to a trolling motor. It comes with this, especially for this. I have a trolling motor, but I don't use it all the time, so I think I will fix it to the hull. And then it comes all nice. This comes up wrapped. This is the transducer itself. This is a GT20, which is arguably better than the older CV20. This one, I think, it's very long. It must be 5 meters long or something. I'm not sure exactly. I will measure that. But this one is 70 inches long. That's probably way too long for most people. Then we have the bracket then for holding the transducer to the transom. So that will be for the transom, that one. And it has fixings and stainless steel screws and everything. So that's the unboxing done. Now the bracket. Okay, you fix the bracket to the. I have it fixed to this with 2 screws just for demonstration. Now. The bracket slides in this way, so you might this will be fixed when you get it, and you might be wondering how to get this off. You know you have to press this one down here. You know you have to press this, but you might be inclined to, this turns this way. But when you press this one down, you push this one this way, okay, and it slides off that way. Okay, so we'll fix that in there. Pretend that's on our boat. We want to put the fish finder onto the bracket. So that's very simple. It goes in like this on the top, and you hear a click, okay? And in order to open that, you have to press down here, okay, down here. In the back, so the cable. It's a 4-pin cable, right? There's 8-pin one. The transducer for this is 4-pin also. This is the battery cable. The battery cable will only go in one way. I will show you here. You can do this. You will see where it says it here, power. So you can do it without looking. You'll see it'll only go in, and give it a good push in like that. Okay. There's a cover for holding on the end of that when you're not using it, because you may leave it connected in the boat. So that's the connection. Now for the battery, on the end you have 4 cables. Now 2 of these are communication cables, right? The brown and the blue, which in European would be live and neutral. They are not used. Okay, we're using DC. So the plus or the positive will be the red. It has a fuse with it. You see it there, and the black. They are already peeled off. So I will connect it up to the battery here. Very simple. Remember, you don't need a battery this big. It uses 0.4 amps. Now, so what do I think of it? I've done another video on the software of it. I'm not going to go into that. The transducer plugs in. The transducer plugs into the other outlet there. It's the very same. Look, it's 4-pin, right? And that plugs in the other side when it's connected to the boat. But there is a mode on this for practicing. So I use the mode for practicing when I'm doing the video for you. This is a very strong plastic. People say, oh, it's plasticky. It might feel like you shouldn't. It's like strong. You might think you're going to damage it, but no, there's a kind of a cam here that opens when you pull this, so these open a little bit. The plastic seems very good quality. We turn it on, so there we have the screen turned on. And when you are, I'll show you in the next video, but when you are making this, when you want to set it up, I go into settings and go into setting. I'm doing it the wrong way. Settings, and come down here, press system, and come down here and press simulator. And when you set up simulator, well, you have to say on, yeah? So you put simulator on, and it says it's not going to be real and whatever like that. So we go back then to our, then you can actually see your clear view and your other screens like this one. And can you see this? So you can see your screens, and you can do all your settings. You can put in your waypoints, and you can put all these sort of things in while you are in simulation mode. While you are back in your house or your office or wherever, you can put in a lot of stuff. Time on this is taken from satellite. So if you get it you cannot actually set the time in it. You can set the time zone, and then the minute it picks up a satellite, it will set the time on it for you. This is the Vivid screen here. This is the Lava one, and just to give you an example, I'm not sure how well it will produce in video. Not as well as it really is. It is super clear, and then you have split screens and all that. There's so much menus in it. So this is the first impression, and the next video I will show you how I will take you through all the basic settings on it, on how to set it up and all that. Some of the advertisers are saying it's 4 inches. It's not a 4-inch. It's the same as the Plus. It's 4.3 inches. You can see that the screen here. Look, 4.3. I'm talking about the visible screen is 4.3. 4 inches is there. It's way bigger than 4 inches. So it's nice size. It's fine. Easy to use. Super easy to use. So that's my quick unboxing of the Garmin Vivid 4CV, the latest model. If you like this video or any of the other, watch out for my other videos there, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel.